TO-30, huh?
Yeah, it's 30 horsepower.
Nice.
It's before he joined up with Henry Ford.
Before Massey Ford?
And Ford only wanted the hydraulic system off the Ferguson. Then they dissolved the partnership.
Yeah. They wanted that, the Ferguson system.
Well, they were making tractors that was Ford with the Ferguson system, like you just said.
Yeah. How about that? Yeah, I've been reading about it lately and wanting to, hopefully I'll get one.
The Jubilees were World War II.
Yeah.
They used the surplus motors.
Okay, cool. He said, anyway. He said this one, no, it's okay.
You're interested in
You might burn yourself.
Get lined up because we're ready
He
to
said
go.
this is the tractor that Ford combined with this tractor, and then Ford, and then he said they just took the 3-point lift system from them, and then they ended their contract with Massey after they sold their, not stole it, but you know. That's a real beauty, man. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Really nice. Yeah, I'm hoping to get a Ford sometime. I don't know if I go this old, but something newer.
You don't get a flathead.
No, definitely not. Oh, I don't want no flathead, that's for sure. Alrighty.
I've had this thing for 17 years, and it was old when I got it.
Uh-huh.
Water supply.
Yeah.
Up every year.
Yeah, my dad had a 49 Ford. He said they were pretty bad on their design of that engine. With it was a car, not a tractor, but it's still a flathead.
They got better after Ford sold the hydraulics and Ferguson.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that helped a lot. Have a good one. Thank you. I guess we'll see the parade past 5.